So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy copper or how to invest in copper here on Wealthsimple Trade. So before you guys get into the video, if you guys are new to Wealthsimple and you want to make an account, if you use my referral link right here, the link is also down below and it's also on the screen. You guys get a bit of money for signing up, so do I, and you also get a chance to win a home, so that's pretty neat there. But go to the bottom left here and press on the search icon, then press on search at the top. Type in ticker symbol COPP. Now make sure you guys are, checking to see what exchange this is on. So in this case right here, we are in Canada. I'm going to go ahead and use the TSX version right here. Once you guys are on this page, go to the bottom left and select your account. I will use non-registered as an example, and then go ahead and press on buy. So once you guys are in this page right here, I want you guys to go ahead and either type in the amount of shares you want to buy. So in this case, one share is 46 bucks, or you can do fractional shares if you wanted to do $5. It's a fraction, so whatever you guys want to do, and then press on review. Then on this page right here, you guys can review the order, and if all looks good with the transaction, you guys can go to the bottom, press on buy or press on Q, and then proceed with the transaction that way. So that's how you guys can buy copper or invest in copper here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.